So there's this learning curve. The time in between which I started coming out of the fog as Romani, as gypsy, and adoptee, and tripping and falling and guilting and shaming others for not knowing what I was learning. And it's that part of the learning process, the teacher who yells at the students for not getting the lesson, for example. How beginning teachers do that. Sometimes even masterful teachers do that. But then, as I'm saying that, like, are you really a master if you are guilting and shaming your students? So, yeah, that learning curve was over a decade. And if I could save somebody the heartache of, save you some time and energy, so it doesn't take you 12 years to be able to share in a way without guilting and shaming and screaming and yelling, that would be awesome.